Space is a fascinating and vast subject with so many intriguing aspects. Here are some interesting facts. 1. Vastness. Space is unimaginably vast. The observable universe is about 93 billion light-years in diameter. A light-year is the distance light travels in 1 year, roughly 5.88 trillion miles, or about 9.46 trillion kilometers. 2. Cosmic microwave background. The universe is filled with a faint glow of radiation called the cosmic microwave background. This is the afterglow of the Big Bang, providing a snapshot of the universe when it was just 380,000 years old. 3. Black holes. Black holes are regions of space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. They are formed from the remnants of massive stars that have collapsed under their own gravity. Supermassive black holes, found at the centers of galaxies, can have masses billions of times that of our Sun. Dark matter and dark energy. About 85% of the universe's mass is dark matter, which doesn't emit light or energy, making it invisible and detectable only through its gravitational effects. Even more mysterious is dark energy, which is believed to be driving the accelerated expansion of the universe. Together, these make up about 95% of the universe. Neutron stars. When a massive star explodes in a supernova, the core that remains can become a neutron star. These stars are incredibly dense, with a mass about 1.4 times that of the Sun, compressed into a sphere only about 10 to 15 miles, or 16 to 24 kilometers across. A sugar cube-sized amount of neutron star material would weigh about 100 million tons on Earth. Expanding universe. The universe has been expanding since the Big Bang. Observations show that galaxies are moving away from us, and the rate of expansion is increasing. This discovery, which led to the concept of dark energy, won the 2011 Nobel Prize in Physics. Rogue planets. Not all planets orbit stars. There are rogue planets that drift through space independently of any star. Estimates suggest there could be as many or more rogue planets as there are stars in the galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy is on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy. This event is predicted to occur in about 4.5 billion years. When it happens, the two galaxies will merge to form a new galaxy, often referred to as Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. Space is a near-perfect vacuum, meaning it has no atmosphere to carry sound waves. Therefore, space is completely silent, unlike what we might see in movies. Temperatures in space can vary wildly. In direct sunlight, temperatures can soar to hundreds of degrees Fahrenheit or Celsius, while in the shadow of a planet or spacecraft, temperatures can plunge to near absolute zero, which is minus 459.67 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. Do any of these spark more curiosity, or would you like to dive deeper into a particular topic?